There is a switch on the bottom side of the dispenser. You can use it to turn the unit on and off if there's air in the tubes at the start. You need to purge it first. Press and hold both side buttons simultaneously. Keep holding it down. Both sides will then turn together. As they turn, the air will be expelled. How to adjust the dispenser's parameters. First, enter the settings menu. Press and hold the middle button. After about 3 seconds, a 2-digit number will appear. Then, press it once more. The screen will show PO. Press again to show C1. C1 is the speed of adjusting the detergent. You don't need to adjust this. Press it again to show C2. C2 is the delay. You don't need to adjust this either. C3 is the detergent dispensing duration for each cycle. Typically, set it to 03, which is 3 seconds. The left button decreases the value. For most machines, 03 is sufficient. This means a 3-second turn dispenses enough detergent to increase the value. Press the right button. C4 and C5 do not need to be changed. Next, switch to B1. This adjusts the drying agent's rotation speed. That's the tube on the left. Just adjust the speed to between 35 and 45. The left button decreases. The right button increases. Once adjusted, press the middle button again. After B2 and then B3 appear on the screen. When there are no numbers displayed, it means the adjustment is complete.